First things first. It's a very famous dish here in Hangzhou. We've got the famous cookie smashers here, the Hangzhou style tofu skin roll. He's enjoying his job. Westlake River food soup. There is some iced tea, guys, and I wish you could smell this shop. It's like cotton candy. Yes, good morning, guys, and welcome at Shenzhen Airport. I missed my connecting flight because of the delay in Brussels, so they gave us an alternative, which means we have to wait 6 hours. And I've already checked out this airport. The only things that are nice, this garden, which is closed, some real plants inside, which is cool. I thought they were made from plastic, but they're real. And I also like the rooftop, which has some kind of animation going on. But other than that, it's just McDonald's and a lot of designer brands. I hope the 7-Eleven can keep me busy. Let's see what they've got. I've got myself a twister potato and a sweet potato. My first meal in China. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hangzhou. It's raining outside, and I've also heard that there has been a typhoon. Sure. Thank you. Alright, travel friends, welcome in the hotel room. This is what you get for about 45 euros a night. Very clean, and I really like the bathroom. I'm very tired, so see you in the morning, guys. Good night. Yes, good morning, guys, from Hangzhou. I've had a good night, and today it's time to check out the city. I'm gonna go for the cable car. And in case you wonder what this is, it's some kind of thing that heats up to relax your neck. Let's check out the city. Alright, first things first. Breakfast is included in the price, and we have many options. I really like that everything is separated, so you can basically make your own dish. They also have donuts, croissants, some fruit, and right here you can choose your own ingredients, so they can make a soup for you. And of course there's always a variety of steamed buns. I got myself a soup with shrimp and truffles. Some random things to try out, like tea egg and baby cassava, persimmon, dragon fruit, baby eggplants. I'm gonna finish with a spicy soup with almost all ingredients they have. Okay guys, unfortunately I fell asleep again, so the cable car is already closed. They told me there should be another activity here, so let's check it out. Check this out. You can literally book a tour guide. It's like a small device that tells you where to go, what you're seeing, maybe some information about nature or history. But we're gonna do it by ourselves. The ticket was about 5 euros, and for what I've understood online, this place should be a mix of history, culture and nature. Looks like there's a river flowing here. Not much water at the moment. We've got some information in English, so if you're interested you can pause the video. So basically, these are sculptures of Chinese monks who traveled to India in the 13th century. Not really my thing, to be honest. Let's see what else there is. Guys, can you believe that people pay 1,000 euros per year to have their wishes under one of these statues? Insane. That's about it, guys. Mostly statues and temples. It reminds me a lot of a waterfall in Bali, which also had a lot of sculptures. And I prefer nature to stay untouched. Let's go find some food elsewhere. Yes, good evening guys, and welcome at Gangji. It's a famous food street here in Hangzhou, and we're gonna try out some local dishes. Many people have told me to try out this stinky tofu. It's a very famous dish here in Hangzhou, so I'm very curious. It has been recommended by many people. I have to make sure that I pick up everything that's available in this dish. That tofu was a 10 out of 10, guys. What an incredible start. Let's see if Chinese desserts are just as good as the tofu. Check this out, guys. It's like cotton candy. So far, I really like this street, guys. You can see people at work. Some are playing music. What do we have here? Some kind of free attraction, guys. Let's check it out. Okay, so you basically end up in this souvenir shop. There's a price for everything, I guess. This must be the best smelling shop so far. Somehow, fragrances in Asian countries are so pleasant and totally different compared to the Western and Arabic fragrances. Very, very expensive though. Look at this. There's even a Turkish ice cream seller. This is also very popular here. Sugar-coated fruit. We've got the famous cookie smashers here. Awesome job. Alright guys, apparently I'm in some kind of pharmacy. To be precise, a Chinese pharmacy. So they're selling all kinds of herbs for different kinds of problems. And if you need a consultation, there are many different doctors available. Look at these mushrooms, guys. They must be like 50 centimeters. And we have some more in this little store. Ginseng is also very popular in Chinese medicine. Guys, I just found out that dried sea cucumber contains 50% collagen. And this fungus is €80 a gram. Insane. Okay, so this is actually the clinic. And you probably have to make an appointment or something like that. Go see the doctor and he will prescribe you some herbs, I guess. Very interesting. One moment you're at a Chinese hospital and the next you're in a river food court. These are all from the West Lake in Hangzhou, just a few kilometers away. I've ordered a few things to try. This is the Hangzhou style tofu skin roll with vegetables. some kind of rice roll with shrimp, a few vegetables and chili oil. I also ordered the snow pear tea and the snow fungus tea. Okay guys, welcome at the free museum. At least I think it's a museum. Looks like I'm the only one without a suit, guys. So I can only guess that this is an expensive art gallery. Looks like these things are actually for sale. They look so beautiful. I'm not sure, but I think they're partially made out of gold. Even these smaller shops are quite expensive here, guys. Looks like he's enjoying his job. Awesome. I think I need a free snack to forget those price tags. There is some iced tea, guys. Okay guys, we're getting some special treatment. I ordered one of all. Just walking here is a real pleasure for your senses. Look at these colors. And I wish you could smell this shop. Amazing. Let's see what this shop has. Looks like some kind of small chocolate factory. The variety of sweets in the street is out of this world. And for the context, this street is about 2 kilometers long. I've seen many different sweets in places like Istanbul or the Arabic Emirates, but this is next level, guys. I have never ever seen so many different things in one street, and I would strongly recommend to visit this place, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. From street food to restaurants and the most random things. Amazing place. I'm gonna close the day with a beautiful Westlake River food soup, and I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.